beyond the buzz, how exactly can AI be valuable to you? How and through what means should you implement AI solutions, and what works best for you? I'll be giving you 5 ways you can access AI models so you know which one works for you. Now, the first is using a pre-built AI tool such as ChatGPT, Zendesk AI, Claude, to mention a few. Now, you use this if you're looking for a quick and fast way to utilize AI solutions without any technical setup. So now to the next one. The next is using an AI API. So let me explain what an API is. An API is almost, let's use this analogy. So you see the AI model as the tap or the source of water, and then you are over there at the other side and you need what this model does. From the space of where the AI model is to where you are, there is a gap. Now, we can use a pipe to get the water from the AI model to you. Now, this pipe is the API, getting the data and getting the info and the intelligence and capabilities of the AI model to you, where you need it in your business or day-to-day life. So now, that's what I mean by using an API. Now, you use this if you want an AI-powered app in your business or whatever you do. So, for example, if you want a chatbot, you can use this AI API. The third one is fine-tuning an AI model. Fine-tuning means training an already made AI model with your own data for better accuracy. So you do this if you, for example, if you are in an industry such as law, such as medicine, such as finance, and you need accuracy. So you could take this already built AI model, fine tune it with your own data, and ta-da, you have great results. So use that if that's kind of results you want to get, and if your industry is pretty high stake and high risk, you definitely want to fine-tune your model. And the fourth one is using an open source AI model. Open source means it's open, it's out there, it's free, so you can download it and use it. But caution, in this case, then you have to have your compute power such as GPUs or servers. But no worries if you don't have that. That's why we have cloud computing solutions, so you can host it on the cloud. And the last but not the least is training your own AI model. So if you are a large enterprise or a research team of AI engineers, smart AI engineers, and you want to build a solution to a very, very great problem, you can go ahead to train your own AI model. Of course, you need to have large budgets. You also need to have servers, GPUs, storage system, reliable electricity, and all of this stuff. But you don't even need to have all of those before starting. So because, for example, initially OpenAI ChatGPT was built on the cloud before they built their own supercomputer. So you could do all of this as well on the cloud. Let me know which one works best for you, and tune in to the next video. Thank you.